Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot AI in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Microsoft Copilot AI is not a standalone software or feature for Windows 11. However, things might have changed or been updated since then. If Microsoft Copilot AI has been released or integrated into Windows 11, you can follow these general steps to install it. First method, ensure that your Windows 11 operating system is up to date. Microsoft often releases new features and improvements through system updates. Another method, if Microsoft Copilot AI is integrated into specific software or development tools, make sure to install or update those tools accordingly. Another method, check Microsoft official documentation, support forums, or announcements for any specific instructions on installing or using Microsoft Copilot AI on Windows 11. One last method, if Copilot AI is not a native Windows feature, but a third-party application, you can visit the official website or trusted sources for the software and follow their installation instructions. And that's how to install Microsoft Copilot AI in Windows 11. And always verify the information with the latest sources, as developments and updates may have occurred. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.